Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. We have a really interesting problem to solve here. Here we have a rectangular parking lot with diagonal dimension of 25 and area of 165, and they're asking what's the perimeter of this parking lot. So let's get started. So we have a rectangular here, and here's the diagonal. So length and width, let's call this one. So first equation says diagonal is 25 squared. Okay, since this is 25, Pythagorean theorem tells you that. And the second equation says the area is 168. Now, since they're only asking for perimeter, which is twice length plus width, there's a shortcut over here. So instead of solving it directly, which is a mess, what we can do is this. LW squared equal to 25 squared. Twice of LW is equal to twice 168. The reason I'm doubling it is because I see on this side, if I added everything together, I have L squared W squared plus twice LW is equal to 625 plus 2 times 168. Let's see, do I have 336, I believe. Okay, so this one becomes 961, and this side is exactly what I need. Okay. And then L plus W, this happens to be a 31. So perimeter is then equals twice of 31, or perimeter is equal to 62 meters. Then I'm done. Now, if you want to pursue a little bit and you want to know what the exact length or dimension for this parking lot, then we can go ahead and actually solve it. Since we know L plus W equal to 31 and L times W is 168, we're going to substitute in there. W is equal to L minus 31, 31 minus W. So we're going to substitute in there, and then I have L times, make sure I got it right. So W, okay, L times 31 minus W minus, okay, what am I doing here? 31, let's try again. So I have 31, oh, this is L, that's good. Okay. So I have 31 minus W times W equal to 168. Okay, and then I have 31 W minus W squared minus 168 equal to 0. And W squared minus 31 W plus 168 equal to 0. So W is either 24 or 7. Okay, so W equal to 24. Then L is equal to 7, because when you add them together, it has to be 31. Or when W equal to 7, then L is 24. So the perimeter doesn't change anyway. Okay. Let's see, what do we have for reviewers? I think the picture is very important. Once you have the graph and get the system equations, you can solve it, but since they're only asking for perimeter, so slow down in that. Don't go ahead and just rush to solve this complicated system equation there. Since they're only asking for perimeter, what we can do is trick the system and give them the answer that you need. Okay, this is especially important on taking timed tests like SAT or ACT. Once we find that, if your curiosity allows you and you have time, then by all means figure out what exact dimension is for each one of the sides. All right, hope this helps, and have a confident day.